Hi guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make this amazing pumpkin caramel bundt cake. This is my first time making this and I definitely will be making this again. I think this might be one of my favorite cake recipes ever, so I really recommend you guys check it out. The original recipe will be in the description along with my Instagram. Make sure to go follow me over there, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. So the first step you want to get into to make this cake is you're going to put your dry ingredients into a medium-sized bowl and then whisk until it's combine and then set it aside. Moving on to your raw ingredients, you want to first start by adding your white sugar, your vegetable oil, vanilla extract, sour cream, eggs, and pumpkin puree, and you just want to mix all of this until combined before adding your dry ingredients. Now you can just add all of your dry mixture to the wet and just whisk until combined. Do not overmix the batter because your cake will turn out dense and you don't want to do that. So this is, like I said, that's it for the cake. It's very easy and simple to do, so I really recommend you guys try this out. I really enjoyed this cake. It was just perfect in every way, so you guys have to try this. Now you just want to add your batter to a lined bundt pan. Greased bundt pan. I just greased mine with butter and this worked perfectly. It came right out the pan. But you want to cook this in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. And for the last 20 minutes, you can cover the cake with foil if you don't want it to get too brown, and I put the foil and it was perfect, so I recommend you guys do that step, but you don't have to if you don't mind the extra browning that the cake will get. Now just take it out the oven and take it out of the pan and let it cool before you ice it. So moving on to the icing, I actually forgot to film me making the kind of caramel sauce. I'm very sorry. I literally didn't realize until I poured it into the bowl, but it is very easy. You guys can learn how to make it in the original link in the description. So if you plan on making this cake, make sure to check that link out. But I'm just gonna add the powdered sugar. Why can I talk? I'm just gonna add the powdered sugar to the mixture and mix it until combined. And this icing actually hardens up very quickly, so you really have to work fast with it. Make sure your cake is completely cooled and beside you so you can ice it very quickly because it will harden up very quickly on you. Just a heads up. Now you just drizzle your icing on top of your cake however you like. I used the icing bag and just piped it on like this. Doesn't matter, and you can put as much or as little as you want. But anyway, that is it for this cake. Like I said, so easy to make and absolutely delicious. I really recommend this cake. Like, it's just perfect. everything about it is perfect. The icing goes so well with the cake. The cake is so moist and soft, and like I said, this is probably one of my favorite cake recipes. But anyway, I'll see you guys next week with my next video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.